Welcome to our new video, and in this video we are checking the number is palindrome or not. We are learning it. Okay. So firstly, what is palindrome? So palindrome is the number if we flip it, and then also is it remains same. So it is a palindrome like 1 to 1, and if we flip it 1 to 1, so it is a palindrome. Okay. And if we flip the number and then it becomes something like 3 to 1, so it is not palindrome. Okay. So we are gonna do the same approach over here, but we are not converting it into string and then checking one by one character. And if interviewer asks you that I don't like strings, so what would you do? You have to use your this technique. Okay. So what would be the approach for that? Okay. So firstly, we'll take the last number of this digit. Okay. The last number, how we'll extract it? This is not a array list or like a linked list that will extract it from the last. So how we'll do it? We can do it with using um, mod operator. So if we use 1 2 3 or like number mod 10, so then you will find the number. If we use this is number, so if this is number is equal to, so if we do this operation with this number, so we will find 3 over here. So we have successfully extracted 3 this from this number. And second approach would be store it. So we'll store it inside a variable. Okay. And then we will delete this number from this number. Okay, this digit from this number. So after deleting it will be 1 2, but how we'll delete? Same, we'll do a number by 10, and then it will delete successfully, and it will return only rest of two numbers, two digits. And how is it possible? Let me tell you. Um, so let me go on the calculator. Okay. Here on calculator, if we insert here three numbers 1 to 3 by 10, so you will get 1 2 only. Okay, here you have find 1 2, or like 1 2 3 4 5 by 10, so you will get 1 2 3 4. It's just like that. So we have, and after reversing the number, we have stored this number in this result. So we'll check the original number is equal to, um, original number is equal to the reverse number. Okay. And this is just like that. There is no any rocket science behind that. Okay. So integer number is equal to, let's take 1 2 3. It is not a palindrome. Let's take a number firstly, which is palindrome. Okay. Integer last digit is equal to 0. So we have to extract the last digit. How can we extract? And we have already talked on it, but let me tell you. Let's take here number. Let's see how we are gonna extract the number. Okay. Integer result is equal to number by 10, but mod 10. Okay. Number mod 10, that means we have to print it. Okay, let's print it. Okay. And we have found one here because we have extracted this number from here. Let's take here 5, so then it will return 5. So we have successfully extracted this number. Okay. But what we need to do, we have to how which loop would we use here, and without using it is not possible. Okay, without using loop. So for loop doesn't make sense over here, so I think we should use while loop. While loop we will use here. Okay, and this condition will be inside while, and we'll delete one by one number. So then while the condition would be number should be greater than 0. So then this loop will run and run again and again. Okay, so we have extracted the number successfully. Okay, but how we will store this number in an variable. But here we need to um, um, delete that number as well, and we are just extracting the number, but we are not deleting the number, because we have to do same operation on rest of the numbers. Okay, we have deleted this 3, so we have to do operation on this. But how we will delete? We have just extracted the 3, we have not deleted the 3. So how will delete? So we can delete with using divide operator. Okay, and if you divide the 10, okay, if you divide, let me comment it out. Okay, if you divide number by 10, so you will find the rest of digit, and it will be deleted, it will be gone. Okay, integer um, ignores this point values, and it will come into point. So because of that it will ignore this 5, and let's run it, you will get 1 to 1. Okay, and if we change this to something like 7, 1 to 7 1, it will be there, and 5 will be deleted. Or like let's take here 4. So 1 to 7 1, 1 to 7 1, let's run it. 1 to 7 1. Okay, and this 4 has deleted. So we have done this operation so far. Let's comment, uncomment it, and let's so what we have done here, we have um, extracted the number, then we have deleted the number, we have extracted the last number, and we have deleted the first number. Okay, so these much steps we have done, but we haven't stored the number inside any variable. We have successfully deleted the number, the last number we have successfully deleted, but we haven't stored that number in anywhere. So how can we store that number? So it has also a formula. Let's take here an integer um, result, or like reversed, is equal to 0. Let's initialize it with 0, and then reversed is equal to reversed, um, reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus last digit. So we have take here, this is last digit, so this is last digit. Okay, so this is last digit, and here we are deleting the number and assigning the same number to the number. Okay, to this number we are deleting the number, and we are assigning the same number to number. After deleting, the rest of numbers will be, the rest of digit will be stored uh, in this number variable. Okay, we have done this thing so far, and we have successfully stored this into the last digit into reversed. And how it is gonna work, let me tell you how. So we have already initialized the last digit over here, so we don't need to initialize it again. Okay, and let me explain it how it is gonna work. So firstly, the number is let's take 1 to 1 to 3. Let's take 1 to 3, it is gonna too much lengthy. Okay, 1 to 3. Okay, number is 1 to 3. Then here we, what we have done, we have extracted the 3. Okay, and here we have stored the 3 inside this. And how we have stored it, you might be thinking of it. Okay, so 3 into 3 into, so our number is, let's take reversed. What is reversed value? It is 0 into 10. Into 10 is um, obviously 0, and then plus last digit. What is last digit? Last digit is 3. So we have stored successfully 3 inside reversed variable. Okay, then again we have deleted the 3, and how many numbers we have left? 1 2. Then again we have assigned the same numbers to the this number. Okay, so only 1 and 2 are left here. Then we have extracted the 2. Then here we have how we have done this operation. So 2, already the reverse is 3, so 3 plus 2 and into 10, into 10, and plus last digit of 3 into 10 plus last digit. So how it is gonna work? How it is gonna work? Here 30, 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. So this is 32. So we have successfully reversed the 32. Okay, and here's the real magic is, we have reversed successfully. Like, this formula is perfectly working for reversing any number. So we have successfully reversed the number. Okay, and then only we are deleting the 2, and then only 1 is left. We are assigning the 1 to the number, and then only 1 is left here. Then we are extracting the 1 digit from the number num, and then we are storing it here. So 300, 3 into, like, 32 into 10, 320 plus the last digit 1 is equal to 321. Okay, we have successfully reversed the number over here. And what we need to do, we have to delete the number, so it will become 0. And uh, number is greater than 0, greater than 0 is false, and then it will stop, and we'll print our result. It's just like that. We haven't compared so far, but this approach we have followed over here. So let's print here the reverse number. Let me show you like how it works. Okay, and only small thing is left here. So 1 to 3 and 3 to 1. Let's do here 4 5, 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is 5 4 3 2 1. So we have successfully reversed the number. Okay, we have successfully reversed the number. So what we have to do here, we have to check if let's, you know we the original number is not remains so far the same. Okay, so we have to um, check take the original number in original number variable. Okay, we have took the same number in the original number variable because we have done operation on this number, so it is not exist after this while loop. So we have initialize the original number with number, and then if the original number is equal to reverse number, so then it will print will print will print the number is, palindrome. This is as simple as that. So we have successfully if the condition is true, so it will print number is palindrome. Otherwise it will print number is not palindrome. The number is not. The number is not palindrome. And let's run it, then we'll see. Okay, the number is not palindrome. Why is not palindrome? Because if we reverse this number, so it will become 3 to 1, so it doesn't make number palindrome. Okay, so let's take here 1. So it is a palindrome because after reversing it, it get reversed. Okay, so it is a palindrome, the number is palindrome. But yeah, we have successfully done this operation so far. But these much lines doesn't make sense over here. Okay, so let's take, yeah, we can use ternary operators over here. So how can we use ternary operators? So let's take here string, or we can use boolean because string is so much lengthy and we just need a true or false. So let's take here boolean. Boolean b is equal to, let's assign it with false. Yeah, its default value is absolutely false, but we are not taking any risk. Okay, so b is equal to, and what is ternary operator? Ternary operator is this and this. So this is question mark. Question mark means ternary operators. Okay, so how to use ternary operators over here? If the original number is equal to reverse number, so we'll return true, otherwise we'll return false. Okay, so we have done, and let's print here, and we'll print b. And this is also same, but the you know to become a good developer, you have to reduce the number of lines, and this is what we have done in the same line. We have took around more than 3 lines over here. So let's run it. We haven't added the semicolon over here. Okay, it is a true. That means the number is palindrome. 1 to 1 is palindrome. Let's remove the comments because it is gonna mess our code. Okay, yeah. So let's take here 1 2 3, or like 1 to 4, and then 2 1. So after reversing it, it will be 1 2 4 and 2 1. So it is a palindrome. So let's check it, it is not, it is or not. Yeah, it is a palindrome. Then let's take here 5. So it is not a palindrome. Let's run it. It is not a palindrome. So it is just simple as that. And just focus on this one, because you may forget this. So just remember this one only, and the rest of things are very easy. You have to just reverse number, then extract digit, and then the same stuff. So this is all about it, and stay curious, keep practicing.